Hello, dear students. How are you all? I hope all of you are healthy, having nice food at your home, and staying sound and healthy. Hope all of you are enjoying time with your family, and also, very important thing, you are studying well. I received your books for chapter 1, 4, and 8, and after this, we are going to start new chapter, chapter 13, sound. Okay, sound. When you listen this word, what comes to your mind? Various types of sound. Yes. So here I am your mentor Shobna with this lecture in which we are going to start your chapter 13 sound. So whenever you just focus, you can hear various types of sound around yourself. You just keep your eyes closed and just think about various types of sound around you. And just make a list which type of sound you hear. Okay, you must be having various types of sound in your mind. It might be footstep of someone, it might be sound of fan, it might be sound of your mom cooking some food in kitchen, it might be noise of any electrical appliances. Okay, it might be a sound of music or say playing TV. So various types of sound can be heard when you just focus around your uh, environment. Okay, so how do you come to know that your period is over in your school? When you are in school, yes, bell rings, right? And you come to know that now, yes, now this period is going to be over. And if you will focus on bell, especially when you don't like any subject, right? Yes. Okay. So that various sounds you can hear around you. Okay. You come to know easily that someone is at your door when he knocks, or you hear the sound of doorbell or their footsteps, right? Most of time you can make out someone is approaching you by just hearing their footsteps. Okay. What you say is in Hindi, kadmo ki ahat, right? Yes, you can hear the sound of their footsteps. You might have also played a game called hide and seek. Yes, we all are loving it, right? Whether we are elder or we are as a kid, okay? In this game, a person is blindfolded and has to catch remaining players. So, how is the blindfolded person able to guess which player is closest to her? Whether I have to catch him, whether I have to catch her, or who is around me? How can I find out if I am blindfolded? So, in that case, your ear, right? Capacity of your listening comes to help. So, sound plays very important role in our life. If we are not able to hear, in that case, just imagine what happened. Suppose if a person is deaf, then that person, if he or she is walking on road, then they cannot just hear the sound of approaching vehicle, right? And there might be chance of accident. Okay, so the sound plays very important role. This is not the only reason why we need to listen to the sound. There are many reasons. Okay, so sound plays very important role in our life. It helps us to communicate with one another. Okay, if I am explaining to you this lecture, how you are able to understand this lecture? You are able to understand this lecture just based on the sound you can listen. Whatever I am speaking and you are listening, and then you are understanding the chapter, right? So that is the way the sound comes to your ear, then reaches to your brain, and you understand it. Okay. So what you can do here that you can make a list of various sounds, and you can just write 20 types of sound. Okay, in your FNB you are going to do this homework when you start chapter 13, that you will write 20 types of different sound that you hear around yourself. Okay, and you all are having music period during regular schools, right? So you have observed your music room, right? So in music room, you hear the sounds produced by various musical instruments like flute, tabla, harmonium, etc. And how this sound is produced, okay, that we would be learning in this chapter. What are various quantities, physical quantities related to it, how we measure the sound, what is noise, what is noise pollution, okay, various instrument that you can prepare by yourself, that we would be discussing in activities. So that chapter is going to be a fun. Okay, so in this chapter we would be discussing this various types of topic, like some musical instrument, they are having various parts which plays the music, how the sound is produced, when you speak, from where this sound comes, okay, and various instrument you are going to make, and how sound travels through various mediums, and how you listen to the sound, how your ear works. Okay, these various points we are going to discuss. This is structure of ear which we would be discussing in further video lecture. Fine. And some quantities regarding the sound like shrillness, pitch, amplitude, these we are going to discuss. Okay, so in this chapter we would be learning about